he not do, he not join, but the woman for her say him mama join, and the pikin him mama they deny say the pikin na him dey do something for am, but audio dey here wey him pikin for confirm am say no be him mama dey do anything for am, say him mama no baff. You understand? Say him mama no baff. Now this man they do everything for am. Make una hear o. I bet you una the guess. Oh, the girl only say for son she naked. I don't know why somebody will just stay by himself, vex enough, take your own kpeku, send to somebody wife, tell am say na kpeku sweet pass your own. You no know say today go come. More na not dey do am side chick. Why you just vex, you can't take your own kpekus, photo, tio. You go show person may just die. Eh? It's not nice at all. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I'm on live video.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
I dey hear you.
Monica Bava. ETA a woman now. So in a way, I say Nigeria can because mama no
Amy. Okay.
So you have to go because it's in that time so no make if the 20 liters so in a way that's the answer the everything can I reach you every no high do not do your because the marketing
No, okay then. Okay, yeah.
So market but today this year with I state state so me like you know okay so marketing cannot feel so now okay they is name ya le tie we make na no we no that's when higher no over this market no make na your name so they make any amoenji.
Okay. May appoint May 29, 30, and 31st.
Okay.
Yeah, Anna said a year on your seat. Saloba de Bawaya.
Okay. A problem you will come.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Well, we say Saloba bless you too.
God, bye. So me I first show na the girl picture. This one na the girl and somebody husband. This one na the girl and somebody husband. And they say I tell the do kele wawa. I tell the do kele wawa with somebody husband, they show her everything. I know if show na this one, I show na the other one. Because that one he take to crazy girl just become man. Person husband is spent for me on the entire year. Here with the man with this one. Just they enjoy somebody husband. Me, I'm not going to use it. Every day they go out to blue bath. Maybe I will save that one. No, why you are being now? I will Monica see you like me. Your picking. Now I will send the audio for you. Now he tell by he said use man take talk and say that one can't say the things where you they say so. Now your mama, he say your mama bath. He say your mama bath. And yesterday me come they ask him mama, how come you go they talk to your pikin not the year? Because mama say if he talk to pikin not the year. He say if I just talk to Rane, go shout for me. I say you wait there abroad. Not be you they take care of them. He say yes. I say how come you go there abroad now you they buy everything you go they talk to Rane not go the year what for what? He say he no. Meanwhile the pikin say his mama no bath. He say my mama no bath. That one bath. That one don't see himself. He said na me they feed that one. They feed my mother with your money, with your husband money. Now until they feed my mother. You know, see where I buy for my mother. I tell the mother say, Yanja wajela la your so my lady. Wow, get the Jojo. And now ya fe we am here where all the pictures where they show so there not be one day. Different time where they carry this smoke go everywhere. This one a Peking where mama there abroad. He say mama no make her. Me can send the girl Ghana must go where mama send come. Say see wetin your mama say. He say oh God. Oh she even Ghana must go. Gele my lady. Mona fair hear this thing.
He said what when you dash he tell me say he like me pass. You forget. He say he so much love me. He dey spend money for me. Sometimes feed the money fat, he would pay my house rent. You dey hear me? In fact, your husband so much love your husband. Your husband sabi fuck shower. We talk about fuck. Hi. He prick. I don't get. He prick. Now you dey fight for.
Oh Baba.
Now you dey fight for. Oh, punch your life. You dey crazy.
Yeah, your pikin. Oh yeah, kase ogwana. Oh yeah, kase ogwana. Ijebe ti rento wane, odere orento wane. Ijere webo. Hello.
Hello, you are.
Abota J, ire live video.
Oh, funny.
Sunny, ire Facebook.
Okay. Chris, punish your life. So bless woman. See the way the woman hold. You need to for It's already old already. See a girl with this yet. And the worst part of it, a young woman like that. Young woman don't look like old woman. I beg you recarry HIV AIDS with a different men. Married woman with a different I don't go leave her. God punish your life. He did grace. See, come, man. You know where the best way you go dance with. You are useless, foolish woman. Yes, sir. Are you saying you're the short generation?
I'll leave this other one, play the other one because now there he shot her mother. And the mother sounds so
I
good
know, old fool.
for me for
I
phone.
know. Your husband know how to say it very, very well. He husband is fuck.
La lady, sorry, where I did now.
Sorry.
You say you did pain, so painful.
Let me see, wife to don't slap them. He said, the husband wanted to say if they fuck you, but say wife to do the week.
Hey, happy Sunday, bro. How are you? If not true, because if I can't tell you.
I know. Your husband know how to say it very, very well. Oh, God. Your husband a fuck that.
I can tell Pikin, I be this one, mama there abroad. If you not see so when she sort her mother. And mother tell me say, in they take care of this girl. You know they fit talk to her. I got us, they take care of person, you know they fit talk to her.
You know, tell you.
This girl, network, don't call again now. This girl, she said she dey use married man money till they buy something close for your mama for abroad.
I can't believe, man, I will show you my pregnancy. Food. We don't do introduction. You don't see my father. Don't worry. I will call my father. I will send you the record when my father talk for the introduction. Your husband don't do introduction for my head. He will rent apartment while they stay. Buy me clothes, phone, Jen, everything. I will send you the house on your food. Send you the house for phone. Food. It's not like your husband is money spender. He say he don't like you. He say he love me. Love me, die. You can't do anything about it. Fast, can I
my lady, my body just they do for YouTube. Oh, my body just they do me so much. Me and you quit for this year. You hear? This girl, you go hear me.
I love Isaac. And the worst part, why you lose Belete hold the man? The man say he no be like you before. He say na force her into marriage. Marriage wey no want, so na go dey force Isaac for marriage. He say he will dey manage you. He He said you want to control her. One day you control even your sister, you change your sister away for her. If they beat you all the time, you one day you faint, you naked, you come and say you don't faint, you can't rush you go hospital. Fool.
My people wey dey Instagram, the day where they talk to this girl, shebi this girl deny this thing where he talk so. You see how people wicked. The day where they talk to this girl, I say because of you, husband beat his wife, he go wake up for hospital. He say, Mama, na lie. No believe her. No be me. I don't live her since. No be me, oh. Na lie. Which night that one take happen? You see? That man beat his wife finish. No be even rush and go hospital. He carry motor, he come up for I go this girl house. He go tell this girl say he beat his wife. Now where the man did the girl house, na person for call and say we don't rush Mama Obe go hospital. Now this girl take here. He come they play the audio, go they send to the woman. They use police arrest her. He say lie. Just because the man, whether they do sham for her, I don't know. They say the mother say na her grandmother na take care of this girl. She dey small when she born this girl. Age where they take senior each other now barely 13 years. Now she take senior her daughter. So her daughter now come start to dey do kigbo. He can't grow past him mama. His mama come make check a problem of abroad. Whether he see paper or where he say he dey, I don't know. And the mother, sorry my lady, you sound nice, but with the voice note of your daughter, the way we take insult to you, it's a lie. You too, you lie to me. The way when she take talk to me, I can say, you dey nice. Why you go born that kind daughter? Her daughter also talk and say, even my mama where you want go report to, over man bear. And then me, I never even say me, I talk about a mother. Person where mother they take husband just come. Bah! Oh my God. The woman she say, now another person bring her call, say, no, I don't want me to narrate my husband because if you call the talk the woman matter, now my husband matter go come enter. I beg. We be enemy for church. I beg. Now he save the woman. Now I say, why you they take somebody husband and your pikin and they bring come for me? As he be say, now you they pull her for a bag. Now I say, I go bring you come out. But as I bring you come out now, another person where you they take your husband come call me. Let me come, they say, not be your matter, maybe one to your daughter. So you also, you they take person your husband, oh yeah, that way I beg. I don't take the man. I know they do my own like my daughter own. Ask the woman. I wish I bad. The woman for not say make you leave me. I know bad. I know they born again. I get the woman young go, never even reach 40 years yet. She get 3 children. This idiot one be her first daughter, which is 25 years old, and she never reached 40 years. Can you imagine how she quit a bone? So the pikin, the year matter. Why? When I can say the pikin, why you know the year your mama? Your mama no make her. Your mama no build us. Your mama no fit rent apartment for them. You say mama they pack Ghana must go, can't give them like say they be baby. I mean, I really say me, I ask him, mother, how you tell they take care of this your daughter? Where go job be say or what he kita for her side for somebody husband like this? You know nice. And I wish they hungry now. I will say maybe because your papa poor, your mama poor, you there abroad. Then they say €100. Then the woman say you open shop for your pikin. Your pikin say na lie. Your mama open shop for her. Market con kill her. Now this man I can they survive this girl. And this man and this woman, they be Asian people. Okay? 2 of them meet each other when they go school for Ekmoma. Now they come to Benin, come they work. The man are not can see work. You know, say if you go school, you know they see work. So the woman can see work for government office. The woman they work, he can't carry money for bank, he can't give the husband. You sabi do business, go do business. The man can't really do business, he can't succeed. 2 of them can't put house for ground, they can't build for Benin. 2 of them can't they can't get car. As now the woman bring money come where they take do business, where they can't succeed, build first house, can't build second house, the man can't buy motor for the woman. Okay? But my people where they Instagram that day, now so the man talk. But when the woman come later call me, the woman swear with her children head. Say, motor where your husband fell by, not even be saying that your husband money. Now, if they work, money wey they work in, they put am for the ass. Business wey your husband they do, that they put am for the ass. But every now the money go just they miss. 200,000 go just miss. He go say only this money where you they carry, they just spend. We know they make a month. If we continue like this, I wish now so we be. We for not fit do anything when we get today. No, they spend like this. He say your husband fed the carry woman before. He no reach this girl. Oh, he go give them small money, go still stop. He says his way don't carry this girl. Your mama go just from abroad, come to Nigeria just to come shop this man money online. Then they call the man. Not be saying you do, maybe not just guy's name. Then he go just come from abroad, you come shop this man money. You my hair. This the one way mama they use for abroad, according to her daughter. Now this man they buy him, this Isha man, now they buy him for them. So this Isha woman, now here don't follow. He say he don't follow everywhere. He don't frustrate. He no go feel lie to me. He follow everywhere. He don't dey frustrated. Which kind of be this one? Anywhere where he go say they go say this small pikin. No be ordinary hand. No be he no know what he want do. If he say me he even beg yours money, remember how we take start. This thing is not good. You know even they sleep out. He say go just beat and beat and beat and beat and beat and beat and now people they come Russian. Eh? The woman don't say and then he say me he cry on social media. Who get Ojuju make he help and swear for this girl? Who get prayer make he help and pray for this girl? This girl want tell me, this girl say, Mama, as you want fight for this lady, so may you try ask the lady. What he do other people husband? This woman say na lie. Una know how sometimes Asian people that they quit marry even pass Benin. Benin they carry belle bon. Isha we want really see man when they want marry that they marry them very young out. The girl said they marry her to this man very young. They love each other for school. Now they meet each other and love each other. They just marry them out. They carry their bag and baggage. They go Benin. Go they also they go. Now so God takes you give and work. We can't get work, can't get opportunity to carry money. He know say your husband a person wey sabi also well. Then he make and love her. Then he give her the money. God so kind, God can't bless the money. They can't reach. After years, 8 years, now they don't they together. With this man jam this girl a year plus ago. Ever since then, the days where this man they spend for us, you will feel counter. This man, Richard, is saying he go call me. I can't tell and say, I want to talk to you and your wife. That day, the man no go ask. I can't tell the woman say, your husband say, he go call me, make 12 for now, talk for man. The woman say, he no go come ask. So he say, Mama, if you feel do and make come ask, I for happy. This coronavirus where they so where they say husband and wife, stay home with your children. The man no enter us. 3 weeks, this woman never say. And if he come, they can't change clothes. He don't go. Then the woman can say, oh, thank you. If he go really come us today, I go thank God. Behold, 2 o'clock for midnight. Now see, man, they call me. I can't press on me. I know who be this one. It's na Nigeria person face. As I see here and now, he say, I felt promise say we go call you today. Now I say this midnight. Okay, no problem. Where your wife? He say which wife? He know they go also. He say he know they go out. Asian people anywhere go now they wanna pray for this one sister. Make juju where they put for this man. I make come on. And the grandmother of this girl now Owen Juju, Owenbo. Now they do. You understand? So this girl do this woman so take anything. If they even they do fioko, he go record and go send her to this woman. If you want die, die. He tell this woman say they say Asian people strong. I go tell you say me. I go frustrate you. You carry your bag. You go back to your village where you they come from. The girl don't cry. He don't tire. He don't follow everywhere where they follow. He don't tire. Which kind of small pikin be this one? He with him, mama go just gather. Then I continue to be
people plus his mother. His mother gives a lot about you for me. He tell me many things. I know Isaac family now. He don't introduce me to your family people.
now they
So I thought, sometimes if he call you say you want travel, now me call them be too. We dey go village together. Fool. Panadol extra.
See what the man they buy for the girl. See, make it send the egg ija we on door. See, generator, oh, too white. It's really not nice. See, everybody know how much that they buy the generator. 80,000 and above this type. Human hair. Now she tell by herself, they send and come up. And really, the money, the woman go they see money they come up for accounts. Fridge, new fridge. He just rent 3-bedroom apartment. This girl where they do this one, so he get mama for abroad. Mama go travel, go Nigeria, go stay for her house where Isha man rent for the pikin. iPhone, laptop, una see generator, human hair, new fridge, iPhone 7, laptop, and money, and all the old orishi. That's so that they follow all restaurant they go. This woman say, if not be she, we go carry her children still come out. The children don't know anywhere. Papa no they carry them, they come out. She say she will even they carry the children, they come out. The thing go come they draw your heart. He go they draw your heart. He come they think. Inside fences night the day. He just be like me, he just kill himself. If you just remember how he with your husband they come from nowhere. How this small girl come to enter. And that thing can really dey irritating. When suddenly your husband not the hear what they gay, the thing go they frustrate your enemy. Now this girl, now they do this one.
Mama for the house now, I come enter.
Una
I
hear?
come be second wife. You hear me? Now I come be second. Come for the house. When you see a full speed or enter that house, God punish you. I know you very well. I always they pass there all the time. They see you. You go back, go they drink medicine when you for sleep down. Also, your husband they look you, no yash, no breast, full. And then you know, as you they see now, as if they call me now. If they call me, they beg me. You know you just they carry anything for our matter. All this way they do, all this right way they right. You know if it change me for her. You know if it change me. Me I don't go a long way. You can't change it, okay? There's nothing you can do, sweetheart. There's nothing you can do. Fool. See the way this woman just go on. There's a pity for her. You see all the time you go they think. Not they think again, yeah? You relax your mind. You do the panic. You want to use your own hand to scatter your ass. Always be the way. Don't fight. Fire. Useless woman. If you don't, I beg you, don't keep my eyes for me. You they go, they punish your life. You they crazy. I will tell you, say your husband, they might say they joke. If they call you, miss might not pick your call. They come for video call. I get any business to do with you. Are you mad? Husband, they would tell me, say, no, go give you 1 naira. He say, in 1 naira, no go enter your hand. He no go spend 1 naira for you. All the money, nana me, they pack and they give. Madam, go wash your head for river. Then they worry you for your village, you don't know.
The mother of the girl, Niwa see a show. When I see the girl where they talk this thing, so this one now Kate Piki. I bet when she's a wizard, when I help the woman according to her message. Please, she don't cry tired. They see comment, people say leave the man. It's easy to leave man for Africa like that. It's easy to leave man. Maybe the thing. The woman don't already dead for company where he go carry money. He carry money, they come they reach now. Only that one now no still like he said. Una no config you carry the money, go pay back. You can't pay small. Now, husband don't change for your hand. Now, debt, they the woman neck. If now abroad, now, if he don't put you for, if he don't spoil your credit record. Women, home and abroad, Stop go and kill your record for husband. Don't do it. Mommy Monica don't advise that. You understand? Help the man to save money. Don't sit at home and be destroying the man's money. Later, una I go they die for people endorsement. Hey, she make a one taggy. Hello.
Hello, Mama, I greet you.
Good afternoon.
I see the video, live video, the brother gave with the, you want me to scatter that,
Don't scatter them.
so I say, I say, if definitely say na juju, definitely that thing will scatter. So, if you get the woman number, you for WhatsApp, this number is on, so drop her for you, I give her a best number, which you say you go play, I mean, so, I believe the person, within 1 week or 2 weeks, at least everything within the man, within you get into the man, everything will scatter. So,
Go scatter.
2 weeks.
Oh, Nana, what they scatter in this narration, so which is a wizard where they here. Everybody where they put here, so all married women we know how this type of thing they play. When somebody join enter your life, not even they do, not even they hide again. Thank you, my brother. Police.